The second General Assembly of the Horizon Europe project, Climate Smart Advisors, took place here in Latvia, in a city named Jūrmala, and we were really happy to have all the participants here. We had numerous really nice parallel sessions. We know how to balance the fun and work, and this is what we did during these 3 days.
And we hosted 90 participants from different European countries and from different organizations. There were thematic leaders, national coordinators, coaches and advisors, and also members from management teams. And we have possibility to visit 3 Latvian farms: dairy organic farm, conventional dairy farm, and no-till farm. And all of participants who returned back were very satisfied with findings what they found.
Latvian Rural Advisory and Training Center is the biggest agricultural advisory service provider in Latvia. And to our mind, it's important to be in the network like Climate Smart Advisors, as it's obvious that the world moves towards the climate mitigation
and adaptation measures.
We want to be ahead of farmers, not lagging behind. That's why we see that Climate Smart Advisor project would help our advisors grow faster, become smarter, and help our farmers to be climate smart as well.
A very friendly atmosphere.
It doesn't matter where the source is.
Networking, getting to know each other, and doing efficient group work.